What is up, guys? Good morning. We are back to the videos. Today is going to be a day of constant last minute scrambles for Fuel Fest this weekend for Kanji, for the R32. So right now we're actually on our way. We're actually going to head and we're getting the R32 completely washed and ceramic coated. So my buddy over at Second to None Auto Spa does an amazing job, and he's actually going to do the car today. He fit me in, very busy guy, fit me in to get the entire car ceramic coated. I'm super stoked. I got to see my dad's car ceramic coated, so we're grabbing the Skyline out of the garage and we're going to head over there, and hopefully when I get her back, not only will I have the new wheels, that's a whole nother thing that I got to talk to you guys about, but hopefully I have the new wheels and she'll be completely outer ceramic coated, which should be awesome. So let's go get it. Alright guys, so the Skyline is dropped off. Hector from Second to None is gonna make my baby look good. I'm excited. You know, she doesn't look bad now. Like, let's not lie. It doesn't look bad now, but we're looking over the car and he's gonna go to crazy towns to get this thing ceramic coated and looking good. So I'm excited. Hopefully for Fuel Fest it'll look awesome. He's gonna take care of me. He does a lot of famous guys' cars, and he does like his own car here. So I'm excited to do this, and it's something that needed to be done since I bought the car. So once she's done and looking pretty, I'll let you guys know. He said it's gonna take about 5 or 6 hours. So hopefully my wheels will come in by then. All right guys, so the car is dropped off. Dad came and picked me up. So he said, like I said, 5 or 6 hours. He said he would, to do it. He's gonna wash it, prep it, ceramic coat it. This thing's gonna look amazing when it comes back. So now we're on our way to the office, and essentially I'm just waiting on a phone call on when my wheels are pulled off a trailer. So waiting on pins and needles. I've had to run around with this shipping company. The wheels have been in since 2.5, 3 days ago. They've literally been sitting on a trailer, and I've gone round and round and round with multiple people trying to figure out, you know, when they're going to pull them off the trailer. I ordered these things almost a month ago, and they were in stock. Everything was in stock. So it's really interesting to me, like, just how bad shipping and freight is. I mean, everyone, you guys know, like, getting parts or anything for your cars right now is really, really difficult. So, you know, hopefully I'll get a call here soon that the wheels are off and we can go pick them up. The place is only 14 minutes away from our office. I just would like to get them on the car and, you know, troubleshoot anything that arises, because Murphy's Law, anything can and will go wrong. So yeah, so we'll see. We're on our way back to the office now. So look what I got, guys. I'm gonna go take it for a drive. Just kidding, I'm actually just moving it backwards. So what we're doing, Dad's wiping down the GTR. It's in the shop. I've got this Meguiar's headlight kit. We're gonna try to get rid of some of the haze off his headlights, make them look nice and shiny. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm just backing the car up. But yeah, you know, GTR keys. But yeah, I'm gonna. Be right back. Yeah. Alright guys, so I've got both headlights taped off. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just clean them, get them completely cleaned up with glass cleaner. Then I get some of the just impurities and junk that's on there off, and then we will start the actual process of getting all the hazing off. I'll show you guys, we have all our stuff here from the McGuire's kit. We got our drill, we've got our solutions, we've got our sanding pads, which we're gonna sand down the headlight. So we are going to get started by first cleaning it up. So let's do it. All right, so now we've done the 1000 grit, gave her a nice slanting. She's nice and cloudy, which is supposed to be. Now we move on to the 3000 grit, and you go the opposite direction of whatever you did. So I went up and down, so we'll go side to side on this one, and hopefully get rid of some more of the impurities that are in the headlight. All right, so we just finished with the 3000 grit. Now we've got it nice and cloudy all the way around, so we're gonna hit it with the plastics and the drill. So this should take rid of all the cloudiness and scratches that we just made, got rid of all the old. Shut up! I'm literally recording and he decides to. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with this and should be looking nice and pretty when I'm done. All right, so we hit it with the finisher. Oof. Look at that. Okay, so there's one that's treated and done, and here's the other one. Nice and cloudy. Ooh, nice and cleared. Dang! What were you saying? Huh?
It's cloudy.
That doesn't look cloudy to me. I don't know about you boys, but woo-wee. All right, so cleaning up the front bumper. We got the headlights completely restored. Look at that. Nice and clear now on both sides. Dad's going through with the detailer and just detailing her up, but the ceramic detailer. Ooh. But yeah, look at them. Look how much clearer they look. So much better. So we're just gonna clean up the front bumper. And now no more cloudiness in the headlights. That kit was actually really easy to use. I think it was like 25 bucks. Super easy to use. And if that's the results, see how long that lasts. It says it's good for up to a year, so we'll see. But yeah, so now I get to have the fun phone call to see where the hell my wheels are. So let's go do that. All right, boys, so I am still at the shop. It's currently almost 5 o'clock. My dad was able to go get the wheels. They dispatched them. He has them in the back of the truck. He should be here in like 10 minutes. My car is done at the detailer. Hector's done with it. He made it look drippy. So I'm waiting for my dad to get here with the wheels, and then I've got to go get my car. And it's just, so yeah. So the next thing that you guys see will be the wheels arriving here. We can get a good sneak peek at them. I don't think we're going to get them on today. So the next part of the vlog after I do go show you guys the Skyline, once I pick it up, will be probably tomorrow when we try to get the wheels on. But at least my dad will be here in a few minutes, so let's see. Oh boy. Oh shit. All right. Ooh.
Those are nice.
Dang. Those are gonna look good.
Yes, they are.
Advent Yokohama wheels, tires. Dang, those are gonna be sweet. We'll get more shots when they get them on the car tomorrow. So, dude, guys, like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, this looks unbelievable. Obviously, it's not. It's a little dark, but like, you can't. Like, dude, insane. he got in there, like made her look so good. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. Like guys, he even got in with brushes like in the Nissan and in the GTR. Like this is unbelievable. Like it's obviously it's nighttime and it's hard to do it justice. So I'll try to get some shots tomorrow, but like look at the hood. Insane. Dude, this is insane.
That's what I do, bro.
Dude, oh my God, man. Guys, she's never looked this good. Ever.
There's a reason why I got SEMA IDA Detail of the Year.
Yeah, this guy got Detail of the Year at SEMA, in case you guys were wondering.
Yeah.
Like, look at this.
Look at it.
Like, the camera doesn't do it justice, boys. Like, camera does not do it justice.
At all.
At all. My God. Wow. All right, guys, it is the next day. It's Friday, day before Fuel Fest, and we have a lot to get done. So first things first, if the lights will kick on, first things first, we got to get these bad boys on the Skyline. So I've got to move the GTR out of here so I can put my car back here. So let's do that. Get this bad boy out of here. Alrighty, let's get this thing moved out. I don't ever drive this thing, guys, so I'm a little God, this thing is badass. Last time seeing it with these wheels on it. Last time. Okay, so let's get a little sneak peek. I kind of put one of the wheels in front of the car. Yo, that is going to be insane. Also, I want to just say something, one more thing about second to none auto spa. Guys, Hector washed my car yesterday. He did an entire ceramic coat. This car looks unbelievable now. Like when I get these wheels on, oh baby, this is gonna look good. Let's get started on the wheels though. All right, boys and girls, right's the old, so obviously a little bit more squared, a little bit more stretch on the Advans, but width really not that big of a difference. So these should fit, but you know, Murphy's Law, right? Also, this is incredibly satisfying. Okay, wheels are on and torqued. I'm gonna take her for a little quick test drive and then you guys will see the wheels on the car. But if anyone wants some OG Panasport G7s, these things are in mint shape, 17x9 on 255 Ventus, hand-cooked Ventus RS3s. If anybody wants these are super OG fitment for Skyline. Like, I love these wheels, but I wanted to do the Advans. So if anybody wants these, slide in the DMs. All right, here we go. No rubbing so far. I think we might be good, boys. I think we might be good. Okay, back from the test drive. No rubbing at all, full lock. I was worried for nothing. They fit so good. They look so good. So without further ado, I give you the brand new wheels on the Skyline R32 GTR. Alright guys, so there you have it. The Advan RS3s are on the car, finally. I had to fight with the freaking freight company, but we finally got them on the car. They look so amazing. I'm glad I went with the dark bronze. Whew, they look so good. I'm so excited. Fuel Fest is tomorrow, or if you're watching this, it is today. I am so excited. I can't wait to show you guys the merch. It's gonna be so cool. I'm glad to get the wheels on, the coat from Second to None Auto Spa. I am so excited for tomorrow. One last thing we have to do is get the banner on the car for Kanji, but otherwise we are good to go. But with that, guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. If you are liking this content, please like and subscribe to the videos. It really helps out, and I appreciate it. And I can't wait to show you guys more. In January, we got some big things coming, and it's gonna be awesome. So with that, guys, peace, and I'll see you in the next one.